let's assume that the school also kept attendance per grade. In this case, we've added a third column, grade, to our data, so each row now represents, for a given date and a given grade, how many students attended school in that day. Now if D3, or whichever library we're using, that implements some of the principles of the grammar of graphics, wasn't so flexible, if we've added another column to our data, and it was tightly coupled to how we represented it, we may have to redo a bunch of work we previously done to draw the same lines, to draw the same axes. But in our case, and we'll see later when I go through some live code examples, adding another column, or in this case a categorical variable, allows us to keep a lot of our aesthetic and reapply that aesthetic, in this case 3 times, 1 for each grade. And if our data set had grade 12 in it, we would have a separate line for 9th, 10th, and 11th grade. Something interesting we see here is that it appears 10th graders were not affected by the flu, while we have 9th and 11th graders with a severe dip in attendance during the later winter months. 10th graders, for whatever reason, have seemed to have avoided the flu. Due to the flexibility of the grammar of graphics, we were able to apply the same aesthetic, in this case a line, and the same axes, to different data, in this case data that has a grade column added and is categorized by day. So instead of having to redo all the work of specifying how to draw a line and how it integrates with our data, we've simply split up our data by grade and drawn one line for each category, in this case, the grade.